Hello, madam. Hello, sir. It's my pleasure to introduce myself to you. My name is Alice Rodriguez, 33 years old this coming July, and I live in Babanong, San Manuel, Isabela. I am married, and I have one beautiful daughter, 10 years old. I have one brother and one sister, and I am in the middle. I am undergraduate, and my course is computer science. My strengths are hardworking, self-motivating person, and also a cheerful, multitasker, quick learner, trustworthy, honest, and also I have a strong communication skills. I have got experience in Philippines before for 1 year and 2 months and working in an Italian restaurant. And second thing is I've been working also in Kuwait for 3 years and I'm taking care of a newborn and 2 years old twins girl that time. And right now here in Hong Kong, I've been working for 6 years and I'm taking care elderly bedridden. And my hobbies are playing badminton, chess, listening to music, and also I love cooking. And that's all about me. Thank you.